Today topic is antibiotic. Anti means against. Biotic means living organism. And in this topic now we have to know that what are the living organism against which this antibiotic will function. So the living organism against which the antibiotic is going to function is bacteria. So important point about antibiotic is that it is a chemical that is produced from fungus or bacteria and that will act against bacteria. Because we all know that bacteria has a cell wall that is known as peptidoglycan. So this antibiotic will act against that cell wall and they will kill all the ways in which the cell wall can be built up. It means they will lead to degradation of the cell wall of bacteria. If there will be no formation of cell wall, there will be no more formation of bacteria. In this way, the antibiotic is effective against bacterial diseases, but they are not effective against viral diseases because virus does not have a cell wall. So this is important that antibiotic is only effective against bacterial diseases, but it is ineffective against viral disease. This is important. Second important point is that first is that effective against bacteria. Second is that first antibiotic was produced by Alexander Fleming, means discovery of antibiotic was done by Alexander Fleming, and the name of the first antibiotic is penicillin. And this penicillin is produced from a fungus whose name is Penicillium notatum. As I am writing the scientific name, I will write in this way. So first important point, antibiotic is effective against bacterial diseases. It's not effective against viral disease. Second, that first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming, whose name is penicillium. It is discovered from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Third point is that antibiotic is always produced from fungus and bacteria. Few more example of antibiotic I will tell you. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and chloramphenicol. Okay, so this is about antibiotic. This much is only in your syllabus. Next, we will study about the name of the vitamins and their deficiency diseases. Starting with name of the vitamin, here it will be then their scientific name, and in the last, their deficiency diseases. So starting with first is vitamin A. The name that is scientific for vitamin A is retinol. Deficiency disease is night blindness. The scientific name of night blindness is xerophthalmia. Okay. Next is vitamin B. Scientific name, vitamin B is a complex vitamin. It contains so many vitamins, but here we will consider vitamin B1. Scientific name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The deficiency disease that is caused is beriberi. Now next is vitamin C, is known as ascorbic acid. The scientific name, the deficiency disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. Next is vitamin D, calciferol. Vitamin D is known as deficiency disease rickets. Next is vitamin E, tocopherol. Deficiency disease is sterility. You know the meaning of sterility? Low power of reproduction. Last is vitamin K, known as phylloquinone. The deficiency disease that is caused due to deficiency of phylloquinone or vitamin K is delay in blood clotting. So these are the important name of the vitamins along with their scientific name, along with their deficiency disease. This you have to learn and memorize it.